Hello, good morning, students. How are you, students? Are you doing well? Are you ready for online class? Now, today is Monday. I am going to handle third standard social science. You open your book. Second term, first lesson. Students, have you got your books? All of you, did you buy your books? If you didn't buy your books, kindly pay the fees, second term fees, and get your books. Then only it will be useful for you in the online class. Without book, you won't be able to follow anything. It will be vague. So, get your books as soon as possible. Now, I am going to read this and explain. Okay, take page number 73. Here, first unit, the topic is historical places. You know what is meant by historical places? Historical place tells you about the history of that place. Here in Tanjavur, have you visited the Brihadishwara temple? That is the historical place. Here we have learning objectives and the other historical place. When you go to Mahabalipuram, you can visit the temple there at Mahabalipuram, and in Chennai, you can visit St. George Fort, and in Viluppuram, you can visit Jinji Fort, and in Kanyakumari, you can visit Thiruvalluvar statue. Like this, we are going to see all these places in this lesson. Unit 1, historical places. Here you have the learning objectives. Again, I'll show you the book. Then turn to page number 73. Here you have learning objectives. Children will be able to list the historical places in Tamil Nadu. Next, recognize the picture and name the place in Tamil Nadu. Third one, understand that every historical place has a history. Now here, the boy's name is Chandru. Okay, Chandru, a school boy, goes to stationery shop to buy picture charts and sketch pens for his project. His third standard teacher has asked him to do a project, so he goes to a stationery shop to buy picture chart and sketch pens to do his project. Now let us see the conversation he had with the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper and this boy Chandru is speaking. We are going to go through the lesson. Turn to page number 74. Here Chandru asks, Uncle, do you have sketch pens? Shopkeeper, yes. Chandru looks around the shop and he finds maps and different picture charts. Chandru, Uncle, what does this chart have? He has a look, and he asks the shopkeeper, what are these charts? What is the importance about this chart? He asks the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper replies, This chart has pictures of historical places in Tamil Nadu. These are the pictures of historical places in Tamil Nadu. The shopkeeper says, "What are historical places?" Chandru asks. He gives the explanation for historical places. The shopkeeper, these are the places where buildings, idols, and arts were made long ago. The government keeps them safe so that we can learn about them. These are the places where buildings, idols, that is, statues, and arts were made long ago. The government keeps them safe so that we can learn about them. The shopkeeper replies. Then Chandru points to a picture on a chart. I have gone to Mahabalipuram with my parents. It is near Chennai. You have these pictures. See here, Shishore temple. At Mahabalipuram you are having Shishore temple. On Pandava Rathas you are having. Now Chandru says that he has gone to Mahabalipuram with his parents. Where is Mahabalipuram, children? It is near Chennai. Okay. Have you visited Mahabalipuram temple? Then the shopkeeper asks, yes, it has 4 different styles of architectures. The shopkeeper says that the temple has 4 different architectures. Is it? Who built it? He is asking, Chandru is asking the question, who built the temple? He asks the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper answers that it was built by Pallavas. The temple was built by Pallavas. Which temple? The Shishore temple. That is the temple in Mahabalipuram. My mother told me that most of the monuments were made of just one stone. Monuments means statue. There in Mahabalipuram, most of the statues are made of one stone. Here in Tanjavur, Nandi is made of one stone. Such like that, there also all the statues, that is mostly all the statues are made of one stone. Chandru's mother has told him. Shopkeeper, yes, correct. Turn to page number, the next page, 76. Do you know something why the Shore temple is called so? The shopkeeper asked this question. What is the reply of Chandru? He doesn't know that. Then the shopkeeper replies, the Shishore temple is so named because it overlooks the shore of the Bay of Bengal. It is like the shore of Bay of Bengal. So it has the name Shishore temple. The shopkeeper says, oh, is it great? Temples of Mahabalipuram were built by 3 generations of the Pallava kings, and it took nearly 200 years to plan and create the site. Here you have some news about Mahabalipuram temple. It has taken 200 years by the Pallava kings to plan and create the site. Next one, Chandru. Next place, Chandru points to another picture chart on the picture on the chart. What picture is that? This is St. George Fort. Here it is in Chennai. Where is St. George Fort? It is also in Chennai. It is the first English fort in India. The shopkeeper replies that it is the first English fort in India. What else is there inside the fort? He again asks the question. Chandru asks the question, What is inside the fort? He asked. Again, the shopkeeper replies, you have a church there, a museum there, and the secretariat of Tamil Nadu is also inside the fort. The shopkeeper replies. Again, I'll read. The fort has a museum and a church. The secretariat of Tamil Nadu is also inside the fort. Now Chandru says, I'd like to go to the museum. I'm surely going to visit the fort. Yes, you should, the shopkeeper replies. Students, I'll stop here. I'll continue the next day. Just you go through the lesson, you read the lesson, you read the spelling for keywords, that is, come to the front page. You see here, we are having some keywords. Historical place. See here, historical place. Historical place. Then Mahabalipuram. Study the spelling for Mahabalipuram. Seashore Temple. You have it here. Seashore Temple. You study the Seashore Temple. Then Pallavas. Pallavas. Also architectures. Architectures. Then monuments. Monuments. You have to study the spelling for all these. Next one is, I have given you Seashore Temple before itself. Then Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. Pallava Kings. Pallava Kings. Study the spelling for Pallava Kings. Then St. George Fort. St. George Fort. And inside the fort you are having museum, church and secretariat of Tamil Nadu. You study all these keywords and also the spelling for keywords and write as homework and submit it, students. Thank you, students.